Good medical morning. This is Watson for World's Greatest Medical and the Medical King channels. While you check out some of our favorite pimple pops, I'll tell you the history of Mr. Blackhead, an anonymous YouTuber who helps bring thousands of pimple pops to you. Adam, aka Mr. Blackhead, and I started editing videos in the mid-1990s. It was everything from sports compilations to wedding videos, but it wasn't until the mid-2000s that we started with YouTube. Adam noticed that people really enjoyed pimple popping videos online, but he was concerned that the quality was low and some of the pops were dangerous. That's why he decided to make a channel dedicated to pimple pops, education, and medical news. He wanted to entertain the public while helping identify safe treatments for cysts, blackheads, whiteheads, and other dermatological conditions. Due to the popularity of his channel called the Blackhead King, now known as Medical King, he brought me in to help with the video editing and narration. Literally hundreds of millions of people have seen his videos and channels, and thousands of people submitted videos for review. We also noticed a lot of people popping with dirty fingernails and cheap comedone extractors that tear up the skin and cause scars. So we decided to promote a high-quality, low-cost pimple popping kit in our videos. I'll throw a link below. To diversify a bit, he has a few different channels. The Mr. Blackhead channel focuses on blackheads, World's Greatest Medical focuses on surgery and big cases, etc. Pretty soon, and this was still in the mid-2000s, doctors like Sandra Lee, Vikram Yadav, and John Gilmore became popular on YouTube as well. YouTube didn't know what to make of the phenomenon and started suspending and deleting popular medical channels. That's when Adam started working with YouTube's community guideline team. They determined that educational and professional content was within YouTube's guidelines. In the meantime, Adam and I maintain relationships with over a dozen of YouTube's largest medical professionals. In some cases, we manage their channels so that they can post more videos. Currently, our Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube presence reaches about 4 million subscribers. Neither of us have any ambition to be famous, but our goal is to bring you educational medical videos for your popping pleasures. So please subscribe for videos and leave us a comment if you're a fan. Thanks for watching.
My name is Gabby, and I have been doing Restmore for almost a year and a half now, and I'm really persistent on this product. I love it. It has made me so where I just take 2 of them, and in about 30 minutes or so I am relaxed and I can go to sleep very well. It doesn't make me necessarily knocked out and completely drowsy, but it definitely puts my mind and my body in the right state to where I can go to sleep in a relaxed and calm state.